Hello guys, my name is Alvin from Gridlock Information Security. Welcome back, and today I'm going to be presenting to you how you can set up your own Splunk for free and use your own Windows event logs for parsing these logs, and then you can table that later on, and then I can teach you how to table that, layer it, report it, and present it in a nice way. So for now, we're going to be installing this on our own machine. For myself, I'll be using my own virtual machine here and using Windows 8 with the 8 gig of RAM and 50 gigs of hard drive, which I allocated for the virtual machine. So let's begin, guys. So I downloaded it from the Splunk website. I use the Splunk free, so there's a lot of ways you can install this. There's a lot of services, and then you can have their own trial here. So let's begin, guys. I have downloaded the Splunk now on my desktop here. So let's begin the installation. So yeah, license agreement. So let's create our account for the Splunk. So basically, it's mainly for big data, and then it delivers you in a web style interface. And it's really used mostly for searching, monitoring, and then some examining of event logs and performing some capturing, indexing of the huge data. So I believe majority of the Fortune companies using Splunk for their daily basis and for their businesses. So it's a lot of service. For it has security SIM as well that you can use for your security operations, incident response, malware hunting. So you can use this tool pretty much in everything. So yeah, definitely for us, we use this for malware hunting, looking for IOCs and everything. Then we table that in a good format, and then we search that. We create some reporting. We do some automated searches for using this as well. So yeah, we'll see how it goes for the installation. So this one is very basic because it's only for installation, and then using your own Windows event logs as your own source of data. So this tutorial is really mainly for beginners. If you're a beginner, so it's really good. So yeah, I just wanted to share my learnings and see. So hopefully it can be finished soon, so we can upload our own local data here. If you have a lot of RAM or hard drive, you can use it, but just please minimize that on the smaller side for the disk. But the RAM you can expand more. You can put a little bit more for the RAM, but at least do not put half of your RAM of your host system. At least you can still put an ample size of RAM for your host machine. So hopefully this wizard finished soon, so we can begin our uploading our own local Windows event logs. Might take a while, but hopefully it's not very long. So let's see how it goes. And then later on, after we uploaded our local event logs, I'm gonna be creating another video presentation for the how you can parse the event logs for the Windows events. We can select one Windows event, and then we can table that in a good format, and then We can use that as a presentation for our reports and monitoring. We can use that as well. So we can create a simple uh, table or probably a dashboard. I can share to you how you can create a dashboard for that. You can make your own dashboard and then it's available anytime. You can put the event logs there. You can just put one simple input text box, and you can search for that on that search box. Okay. Yeah, I'll share what I can. So it's pretty much very straightforward, but I'm going to show you as much as possible. I'm not gonna be putting this in a very long presentation. So my target probably for this short tutorial presentations probably 3 to 5 minutes. However, on this one, I'm showing you from the scratch how you can install the Splunk Enterprise on your local machine. So it depends on the system how faster you have rig on your on available you have. So of course the most bigger capacity processor and everything, so much faster to install the tool. So for now, I'm using my own old Mac 2015. So yeah, it might take a while. So I have have a workstation which I built recently, but I prefer using my Mac. I still feel more versatile using the with the laptop. I can bring it anywhere, so anywhere in the house. So yeah, pretty much. Wow, it's taking a long time. So uh, all right, there you go, guys. Launch browser with the Splunk Enterprise. So let's do it. You have your own local Splunk now. Then we're gonna be using our account created a while ago for this one. Then the next step is going to be uploading our own local Windows event logs on the Splunk. So there are going to be some selections on that one, but it's pretty much straightforward. Okay, there you go, guys. So you have a lot of menus here, but mainly you're going to be putting click on the settings. You can also use this. Okay, there's some notifications here. Hey, can you get more Splunk, more details here? So just you got it. So you can add data here, or you can do it from the settings. Skip that for the meantime. So this one. Let's get the operating systems from here. Then we can configure that. Okay. Single instance. Then finish. You can also use data uploads here. Okay, local event log collection. This is the one that we need. So a while ago we touched the one for forwarding. So sorry about it, but this one is the one that we need. So there you go. We have available logs here. These are all local event logs from our local machine. So we can upload all of this data. However, for the purpose of the presentation, I can just select one event log here, which we can upload. Probably we can start with Windows event security logs. SMB security event logs. Windows. There you go. Security event logs. So let's try to find it. Or any one row, anything from the security here. Security, let's just find the most interesting one. Security event audit, operational. No, let's try to find something else. There you go. The one on the top is the most important one. Sorry, they just made. So let's get this one done. Save. We can actually put everything, but it might take longer on the upload. So, so there you go. We already have the local event log security. So host localhost, which is our machine. So index, it's in the default index here that we got. It's enabled. So we can do the search now. We can try to do the searching. Let's click search and reporting here. So we can skip that tour. We can begin with the searching here. Source type is equals to security. And then we're going to be putting the 24 hours to all the time. So let's see how it goes, if we can find the log here. Oops. Security. Alright. Let's try to find it. Okay, source type, we have one. Okay, Windows event log colon security. So once you click that, it will go to the search text bar here, and then it will automatically search for you with the given all the time here. So that's for now, guys. So later on, I'll be presenting how you can parse this, how you can table format this one, how we can create a dashboard for this specific event log. So that's only for the tutorial. Sorry for taking long for the installation. I have an old machine here, but definitely I'm gonna be using my faster machine on the next presentation. So thank you for tuning in. If you get bored, guys, so just forward it to the part which is more interesting, which is the one that we're ingesting the logs here and everything. So, yep. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good night. Thank you.